Hello everybody. Today I am going to say Dauberneer trade in the chemistry. This Dauberneer, he is the scientist. It is the scientist name which he had tried to give the periodic table. Tried to give the periodic table in such a way that first let's see some of the basics. Dauberneer trade. Here trade means 3. Triad means 3. Dauberneer triad, that is 3. He has given the statement. The statement is average. Average atomic weight. There will be an atomic weight for each element. That is average atomic weight for the middle element. Middle element is approximately equal. Average atomic weight, that is element has some atomic weight. That atomic weight for the middle element is approximately equal. Not exactly, it is approximately equal to the average atomic weight of first and third element. This is the statement given by the Dauberneer. That is average. That is, if there is given 2 elements, so we have to add and divide it by 2. That is called as average. How many observations are given, those many number we have to divide. We have to add and divide. Average atomic weight for the middle element. So here there are 3 elements in the Dauberneer experiment. That is atomic weight of the middle element. Think 1, 2, 3 are the elements. Second element atomic weight is approximately equal to the average atomic weight of first and third element. Means 2 is equals to 1 plus 3 by 2. The equation here is. According to the Dauberneer, average means observations are 2. So we have to divide by 2 and we have to add the numbers. 2 is equals to 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 2. This is, here it is equal, as this is an just example. It may be approximately equal or not equal. Now let's see the real example which is given by the Dauberneer. By the elements, we will see now. Lithium, that is first element here. Sodium, Na, second element, and potassium, K, that is third element. Atomic weight, it is a double of the atomic number or double just near. Lithium atomic number is 3. Lithium atomic number is 3. Its atomic weight is 7. These are the constant values for the elements. Atomic weight, atomic number, these are the constant values. And sodium atomic weight is 23. Potassium atomic weight is 39. So here according to the statement, the average atomic weight of middle element, that is 1 and 3 middle is sodium. So 23 is equals to approximately equal to the average atomic weight of first and third. That is 7 plus 39 by 2. As the observations are 2 here. 23 is equals to 39 plus 7. It is 46 by 2. 23 equals to 23. So here the law or the statement is satisfied. It is equal, correct equal. Now let's see the another example. another example with 3 elements again. That is, in middle we can write chlorine is the first element, or first element 1, 2, 3. Chlorine, bromine, iodine. Chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are the halogens we can take as. The chlorine atomic weight is 35.5. Bromine atomic weight is 80. And iodine atomic weight is 127. The atomic weight of the special elements or the all elements, the atomic weight is constant values. So as we know, according to the statement, atomic weight for the middle element, that is 80, is equal to the average atomic weight of first and third, that is 35.5 plus 127 by 2. 80 is equals to 35.5 plus 127. We can do here 127 and 35.5. Here nothing is there, so we can take a 0. 7 plus 5, it is 12. 1 is carry. 6, 162.5. Point. 162.5 by 2. Here again same, 80 is equals to 162.5 by 2. It is 81.25. 80 is equals to 81.25. It is approximately equal to the 81.25. These are the examples for the above statement. Now let's see the limitations. Limitations of the Dauvergne. Limitations of the Dauvergne when he was doing the experiment. That is 3 elements. 3 elements experiment. Average. Limitations or drawbacks or defects. We can say anything in this 3. The first one is all elements cannot participate or occur in the triad. In triad concept. The triad concept is this only, that is 3 elements concept. All elements cannot perform. That is only the special elements. Those are S block and P block. Here only S block and P block elements can attain the Dauvergne triad of the elements. Remaining blocks, that is D and F. D block and F block elements cannot perform the Dauvergne triad experiment. That is, he is trying to solve or doing the periodic table in such a way so that S block and P block only occur in the triad concept, and D and F blocks cannot attain. This is one of the limitation occurred when the Dauvergne is doing. All elements cannot attend in the triad concept is one of the limitations. These are the Dauvergne triad. That is his statement and examples and his limitations while doing the concept. Thank you.